In this lesson, you will learn how to configure some preferences that are useful when working with data stored on a corporate network. If you work with data stored on a network, you should choose Network Mode as your working environment. If the network at your company is sometimes slow, consider clearing thumbnail preview images. Thumbnail images show a data preview when you hover over a layer name in Explorer. When you work with data on a network, you should also define an alternative work area. When you open a design database, Vulcan creates a work file with the extension WRK. While you're working with design data, changes you make store to this work file. By default, the work file generates to the same folder as the design database. When working with network data, Vulcan tracks all changes to a work file that also sits on the network. Writing to a work file on the network may slow data access. Further, in the event of a network glitch or failure, data loss may occur. When you define an alternative work area at a location on your local machine, you will likely speed Vulcan responsiveness and protect your work from accidental loss. To get started, create an empty folder on your local computer. You will path to this folder in a moment. Ensure the path to this folder does not contain spaces or special characters. The name of the folder does not matter, but you may want to provide an intuitive name for the folder to remind you of its purpose. For this example, the folder is named Alternate WF, which stands for Alternate Work Files. You can pause the video to create your empty Alternate Work File folder. Resume the video when you are ready to continue. Now you are ready to path the alternative work area in Preferences. You can click Browse to select the alternative work file directory, which the empty folder you just created. Notice that the change will not take place on an open design database. You will need to close, then reopen any design database. Now the work files generate to your alternative work area. Thank you for watching. For more information about Vulcan, please visit maptek.com.